Look at my flat now.
I am literally in one of like the worst moods ever. I got absolutely no sleep last night at all, and then woke up to one of the rainiest, ugliest days all summer. So not only am I tired, but there's nothing to do with the kids. And I think that part of the reason why there's nothing to do with the kids is because I'm so tired that I don't really feel like putting out the energy and the effort to finding something.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Where can I get started for you?
Hi, are you still doing the free macchiato thing?
Yes, until 5 p.m. and this is our last day, so you made it.
Yay! Just made it. Hopefully this makes my day just a little bit better, because I need the damn coffee. Whoa, what did you do? What is this? What is this? Did you chew up my straw? How in the hell am I gonna drink out of that? One for you. Here you go. Yay, last day of Frizzy. Woo! You love your cake pop? Yeah, was that a nice little surprise?
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too. I am enjoying my little macchiato. And I'm actually working on Evie's channel. It's actually kind of hard having two channels and doing them both by yourself. This is what goes on in my house when it's raining.
We don't do that.
What did you just do? Willow, why did you eat my feather duster? We are going to Chick-fil-A to get something to eat for dinner and get out of this rain. Plus, I love Chick-fil-A because, as Evie calls it, chick and play. Chicken play. Because he can go inside and there's a play area, so it keeps him busy the whole time. Oh, this is really shaky. That's where we're headed. Our big day
I
of
love Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A too.
I love it.
Okay, let's make a bet before we get in the car. Who wants to bet that Everett's gonna fall asleep?
Not even me.
Not even you? You don't think
Maybe
you're gonna
not,
fall
'cause
asleep?
it's not that far.
You think he's gonna fall asleep? Yes or no? You think you're gonna fall asleep? Yes or no? No? I'm gonna say no. Well, we are home, and guess what? Evie's awake! Evie didn't fall asleep this time, so we all won. We are all right. Evie did not fall asleep.
Baba.
Let's go take a nice warm bath. I'll give you a bath bomb. I'll let you pick whatever bath bomb you want, and then you can snuggle up in your brand new bed.
Hey everybody, I want to do.
Which one do you want to do, Evie? Which one? Want to do Paw Patrol tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's get into the bathtub.
It's blue.
It's blue. Okay, drop it in, Buggy.
Cool. I don't know
You don't want your hair washed? I know, but you have to have your hair washed.
it.
So.
Not
Not today.
It's a long.
Mommy will do it really quick though, and you'll
No,
smell like
Mommy.
berries.
I really promise you.
You really promise me? You really promise me what?
I want my hair will fall off.
You're gonna wash your hair tomorrow?
I promise you.
Hi. Mm. Oh my god! We're watching it. Are you ready?
I don't like my.
Mom, look at me. Hello.
Crazy, it's getting worse. Hey. What? Where are our glasses? Hey.
I just want to be your friend.
Hey, friend.
I really just want to be your friend.
All right.
Good night.
Say the bye.